Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a look at the Bosch Mower 18V-32-200. A small and light cordless lawnmower that's perfect for small gardens. Opening the box, you'll find that the Mower 18V-32-200 comes almost fully assembled, and it's incredibly light and easy to maneuver. Just attach the handle, click together the grass collector, and you're ready to go. Powered by Bosch's 18V power for all batteries, this mower is compact and lightweight, making it easy to move from lawn to lawn and hop over dividers with its convenient top handle. The handle also folds in the middle for easy storage. With a cutting width of 32 centimeters, this mower is ideal for smaller lawns. It glides smoothly and can even be operated with one hand. The gentle hum it produces won't upset the neighbors, and it can handle shorter grass with ease. The Mower 18V-32-200 offers selectable cutting heights from 2 cm to 6 cm, allowing you to take a phased approach to your lawn care. Its battery life is suitable for up to 20 minutes of cutting on a suburban lawn of up to 150 square meters. But if you have both front and rear grassed areas, you may need to recharge in between, which takes around 95 minutes. This mower is perfect for small gardens with multiple areas or levels, and its cordless design eliminates the hassle of a trailing cord. It's an excellent addition for anyone with limited storage space. If you need a more powerful option or a finer cut, you may want to consider the Stihl RMA 235, but for small gardens, the Bosch Mower 18V-32-200 is a fantastic choice. That concludes our review of the Bosch Mower 18V-32-200. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews of top-notch products. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.